It was amazing learning more about my culture and travelling somewhere out of my comfort zone, somewhere what I have never gone to in a million of years. Because at school I'll learn Māori, but I won't learn about what's behind my culture and my iwi.
So first of all we walked into the forest with Nini Marg. She'd found a good spot where all the kawakawa leaves were. Some girls and I got chosen to harvest the kawakawa with Nini Marg. We had some kōrero about the kawakawa leaves themselves and that they are Māori herbs used for medicinal purposes. We also got taught that the kawakawa, which have more holes, are better for, well, good for the bug, good for us.
So we bent them or either cut them and got them off and gave them to Nini Marg.
Then we went on to Nini Marg showing us how to weave the Tipare kawakawa, which are the headbands which are used to take the topuness out of things.
Me and Nikita try to plait it, and every second one you would put a bit of the kawakawa leaf into the plait
until you get a full Tipare kawakawa.